One order, dozens of requirements. How to keep everything under control. ProductBooks helps companies organize complex products. Automation, visualization, and full customization. No chaos, no mistakes. We build custom configurators tailored to your product and workflow. Each project starts with your expertise, not with a generic template. We capture your product logic, constraints, and options, and turn it into an intelligent, interactive 3D configurator. Your product, your rules, all working automatically. From dimensions to dependencies, everything is visual and real-time. Clients see exactly what they'll get and receive accurate quotes in seconds. Orders are placed 8 times faster. Fewer errors, less engineering time, no delays. Perfect for industries where customization matters. Construction, machinery, HVAC, electronics, and more. From concept to launch in 4 steps. Discovery, proof of concept, implementation, deployment. Your configurator becomes a complete solution. 3D models, CAD drawings, documents, quotes, ERP integrations. Forget Excel and manual quotes. Work faster, smarter, and reduce your costs. ProductBooks, your digital transformation starts here. Let's build it together. Book your free demo at ProductBooks EU.